Hey folks, Ali here. So, you're in Dubai and looking to get a credit card? It's actually pretty straightforward if you know what to do. Let's break it down step by step. First off, eligibility criteria. Most banks in Dubai want you to have a minimum monthly salary of AED 5,000. You also need to be a UAE resident and at least 21 years old. Having a stable job with a reputable company will definitely boost your chances. Now, let's talk documents. You'll need copies of your passport and residency visa, your Emirates ID, a salary certificate from your employer, and 3 to 6 months of bank statements. If you're self-employed, don't forget your trade license. Choosing the right credit card is crucial. Banks offer various types, like rewards cards that give you cash back or travel miles, lifestyle cards with discounts on dining and entertainment, and travel cards with perks like insurance and lounge access. Make sure you pick one that matches your spending habits and needs. When you're ready to apply, you've got 2 options, online or in person. Most banks have streamlined online applications on their websites. But if you prefer a personal touch, head to a bank branch and speak with a representative. Once you apply, the bank will review your application, credit history, and documents. If everything checks out, you'll get your credit card within 5 to 7 business days. Here are a few tips to improve your approval chances. Maintain a good credit score by paying bills on time and managing debts. Apply for a card suited to your income level. And keep a low debt-to-income ratio. Some popular banks offering credit cards in Dubai include Emirates NBD, First Abu Dhabi Bank, Mashreq Bank, Dubai Islamic Bank, and Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. One last thing. Always be mindful of interest rates, late payment fees, and other charges. Read the terms and conditions carefully before signing up. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.